Being in real estate, the job doesn't just end when the contract is signed and the deal is done. I always have clients reaching out to me asking who should help me with my big move, who would you recommend? And to be totally honest, I haven't moved within New York in the past 5 years, but I have other clients and friends and family who have used Piece of Cake and had a wonderful experience. So when it came time for our big move, I reached out to Piece of Cake. We had a moving day and time set. They sent over all the necessary documents within hours. So then came time for the actual big move. They walked in, they saw that I was 7 months pregnant. They said, sit down, put your feet up, just relax, we'll take it from here. And they were incredible. They were quick, efficient, helpful. I really was able to just relax and sit back and know that my items were being taken care of. And they just made the whole day as pleasant as possible.